Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ali Akash. In this video, I will show you how to find Qibla without installation of any app in your mobile. So you can use this in any phone, even Android or Apple. So let's go and see the procedure. First of all, you have to just click on your phone browser, any browser, even Mozilla or Chrome or Internet Explorer. So you have to just go to that one, and in the search you have to click Find Qibla, or you can just type it. The first one, it will come with Qibla Finder with Google. So you have to click on that one. One page will open and it will allow your camera. So you have to allow your camera first. If any option will come like allow, you have to just click on the allow button, and here you go. So you have to just take around, okay, and it will show you the exact point. Okay, here we go. You can see the Qibla, it is coming in your mobile. Even it is showing the distance between you and Qibla. It is 1572 kilometers from my mobile. So there is the procedure how to find Qibla without any application. You have to just go to your browser, find Qibla, and you have to just click on the Find Qibla with Google, and that's it. So it is very easy method to find Qibla. Please share the video with everyone so they can find Qibla without any application very easily. Jazakallah. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it is helpful, please hit on like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.